Hello, I'm Paula, and I want to take you on a little journey today, one that starts right here in my garden, where inspiration often begins for me. Last summer, my garden was full of these tumbling nasturtiums, winding their way around the trellis and the old tree stump. I loved their movement, the way they climbed and twisted and reached for the light. And the bees, they're always so busy, gathering pollen, working quietly, stitching slowly in their own way. That inspiration stayed with me. I wanted to capture it, not just the colour, but the freedom and wildness of how they grow. This is my slow-stitched interpretation of the nasturtium. I didn't try to copy them exactly, just as in nature. Instead, I focused on their movement, their joy, their presence. The chaining vines create a sense of flow. The stitched petals carry the warmth of late summer, and the leaves, with their tiny veins, add structure. This tree stump has a special story too. It came from Ellen's garden. When we had to pack away her home, we brought it to live in our own garden. It felt right to include it here, woven into this piece in the form of a vintage doily, which also came from Ellen's home. The way it blends into the design reminds me of how memories stay with us, becoming part of new creations. It also echoes the bamboo trellis that supported the nasturtiums, so in a way, this piece holds both memory and structure. Creativity, like nature, moves in its own rhythm. Small stitches, small moments, coming together over time. This is just the beginning of something new and exciting, and I would love you to be part of it. So tell me, what's inspiring you right now?